Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here, and today we're having a look at the meditation app Breethe. But before we get into that, I'd love it so much if you could like, share, comment, subscribe on this video, as it really helps out the channel. But moving into our review, what is Breethe? So Breethe is a meditation app, but a lot more than that as well. So in this app, you'll find different courses, a whole bunch of different genres and everything you can possibly imagine that you want, all sorted into different goals, different times of days, and everything else as well. So, without further ado, let's jump in and actually have a look at the app and see what it's all about. So, opening up the app, you'll notice that the music starts already. So this is background music, and we'll get onto that a little bit later as well, but it does keep playing. So actually no, we'll do that now, because otherwise it will keep playing all the time, even while or after a meditation finishes. So going into settings, and we can just turn that one off, just so we don't have as much background noise during this. So if we go to home, we've got the last meditation we were doing, and where you're up to in that. So if we go into that one, because it was a 3-day module, so we've got the next one and the increase exercise one in that series as well to go. Now my top goals, so as you open up and start the app, it will get you to select some goals that you want to achieve with it. So learn to relax, deal with anxiety, feel happy, lose weight, get healthier, achieve success. And then you can go in and add more at any time as well. And there are heaps. And they're all bundled into nice little sections there. So you can just go, I want personal growth, and go through there. Then they've got a little coronavirus section here, and as well as their new content that they've got, all from your homepage. Now, one feature I do love on this is the day and night feature. So you've got a little track up there that you can immediately jump into, but then you've got things to start your day. All little meditations to help you get the most out of the start of your day. But let's say you're commuting for work, on public transport, you can get yourself either into some music, some talks, or some meditations while you're on your ride. I wouldn't recommend if you were driving doing that. And then you've got focus at work, taking a break, or to go to sleep. So I love it, you can just bundle those into little bits and pieces when you need them. Then we can go to the library. Now you can search for a track, or you can go for your meditations, so a single or a series, or how to learn to meditate on their program. You've got some sleep, music and sounds, alternative therapies, talks and masterclasses, well-being, and their authors. Now, I mean, these are all great little things. So if we go here too, you get some little video content from Nick Ortner.
Hi everyone, this is Nick Ortner, New York Times bestselling author of The Tapping Solution.
Then you can go through, after you learn to tap.
Welcome to the stress and anxiety about my finances. I love and accept myself.
Skip 15 seconds ahead. You can add it to a playlist.
I choose to relax and feel safe now.
And it cuts straight out straight away. Now up the top here too, you can download the track, like it, share it, or add it to the playlist. So once again, you've got your little things to select about what you want to tap about. You've got talks in there as well, heaps of. So there's plenty of content. Masterclasses, what do we got? Better sleep and well-being. So if you want calming videos to watch, if you need some mindful movement as well. So dance tracks on there to get you through, as well as videos of different movements.
Carl Jung said, what you...
Tension, just by rubbing it, just gently rubbing.
And then you've got your authors down the bottom here, so all the teachers. So including Eckhart Tolle, let's have a look at him. He's got a 4-day lecture track. Let's go for one.
Welcome. The inability.
And two, if you had the background music on, it would be playing or underneath his talk as well. And the value of this is huge. So I know from personal experience of making my own meditations and stuff. Hello, we're going to do a bit of an error here. I don't know why that is, but that should Okay. I think we're finding a bit of an error. So I don't know what's going on there, but so music artists would come up with everybody who does it, and there is a track on there that I've actually bought the license to use, and I know that was around $100, so you do get a fair bit of value in that. So here we've got what your favourites are, what you've liked, your last played, and your playlist if you've created one, as well as anything that you have downloaded. And then you can go into your settings, where you can turn the background music on and off, or go into your account, which just has all your account details. Whether you want to log out, your premium status, your email address, you got your terms of use and your contact support, so your status. So I'm on the free trial at the moment, and it's $17.99. But that is it. Simple, easy to use. Let's go see if it'll get me musical artist. No. Oh well, it worked just before this. But anyway, a whole bunch of content. So much to explore in this app. So let's get back to the review. So that is Breethe. One of the main concerns there is the artist bit that didn't load up. I've seen other people have issues with the app working properly as well. And there was a time where I had the app on, listened to a meditation to go to sleep, and the music kept playing all night. Now that was nice because it was nice peaceful music, but then the app didn't work when I went to go and use my phone in the morning. I had to completely wipe it off and restart it, and even then it sort of glitched out a little bit just before I could get it to work again. So there's that as well. The app can't handle running for long periods of time, but I have seen with other users as well on their reviews that even just after they input all of their goals, the app starts to break and they're just left with a blue screen with the music going. Might be a device issue, some of these older models of phones, who knows. I hope they can fix it though, and I hope they're working diligently on the updates, because there is so much content on here that it would be a waste. Seriously, you've got stuff for COVID, even though I shouldn't be saying it on YouTube, to help ease some of the fear, some of the doubt, some of those things that are racing around in our minds at the moment. And then other than that too, you've got video courses on how to tap, on exercise and movement and stuff as well. So there's so much value in this app. And then meditations for just about any issue, anxiety, stress, worry that you can possibly think of. So there's a lot of value in here. Hopefully they can get the software running properly. And two, consistency with price. So on Google, on the App Store website, it actually states that you'll be paying about $12.99, $13.99 a month for this app. Whereas once you go into your agreement after your free period ends, it says $17.99. So there's a bit of inconsistency there with the price as well. Now, $13.99, $12.99 a month isn't too bad. And hell, maybe that's even just the exchange from Australian to US. I'm not sure. But paying $17.99 a month in Australia, where you've got Spotify, which has, a vaster library, but more so music involved as well. Probably does have a few hypnosis tracks on there. I haven't actually gone and explored Spotify's catalogue with that. But there too, does the value add up? I would say yes still, depending on how much you're going to use this app and how many of those courses that you're going to use, implement, and use it to further improve your life. So, all up, I think it's a pretty good app. With the technical issues though, I would rate it a 6 out of 10 at the moment. Hopefully, as they add more stuff, it becomes more user-friendly, not the app itself, but actually just working, because the user-friendliness of it is excellent. There's no point where you're lost. How do I get back to that screen? Where do I go? You can look through artists, you can look through categories, you can look through time of day for different bits and pieces as well. So it's excellent in its usability. But anyway guys, that is Breethe. I'm going to leave this review here. Have you used Breethe? What do you think of Breethe? Leave a comment down below. And as always guys, I'm Rob Murphy, and I'll see you in the next video.